Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. Now we are talking about preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. That is Unit 10. We have already studied in my previous class in preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes from alkanes, Sandmeyer reaction, Gaterman reaction, and so on. And today's topic is halogen exchange reaction. Halogen exchange reaction means one halogen is already present, and at the place of such halogen, another halogen is attempt as substitute. That means when substitution takes place, one halogen is substituted by another halogen. When alkyl halide such as Rx, X is equal to Cl and Br. I have already explained about R and X. Here X is equal to Cl and Br. Already Cl or Br is attached with alkyl group. And just you want to substitute such halide group, that means Cl or Br, from I. Then what will you do? The Finkelstein was the scientist who gets success to transfer such halogen, that is Cl or Br, by iodine. He dissolves sodium iodide in dry acetone. And when after dissolving in dry acetone, sodium iodide, NaI, is treated with alkyl halide, corresponding alkyl iodides are obtained, like this one. And NaX as byproduct. CH3, you can replace CH3 by any alkyl group, such as CH3, C2H5, C2H5Cl plus NaI in dry acetone dissolved. The compound C2H5I is obtained. Such substitution of one halogen to another halogen is called as halogen exchange, because halogen is being exchanged. One halogen is exchanged by another halogen, so called halogen exchange reaction. Cl is exchanged by I. This reaction is called as Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein was first get success to transfer to exchange CLRBr by I. So such reaction is called as Finkelstein reaction. And if CLBRI are transferred by fluorine, suppose CLBRI is already attached. Then heavy metals heavy metals, fluoride are taken as reagent, such as silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride, Hg2F2 means mercury fluoride, and etc. At the place of AgF, you can use COF2 or Hg2F2, etc. Such halogen is exchanged by fluorine, like this one. This is fluoroderivative of alkane. If ClBr or I are substituted by fluorine, then fluoroderivatives of alkanes are obtained. In such substitution, metals such as cobalt, Hg or Ag fluoride are treated with corresponding alkyl halides, resulting corresponding alkyl fluorides are obtained. Such reaction was first time given by Schwarz. 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 So-called Schwarz reaction. Any problem? As I think so that about halogen exchange reaction, two named reactions are given, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. These are named reactions. Being named reaction, these reactions are too important for students in their board paper. So, please pay attention to learn about these both named reactions. Although they are very easy, no doubt. And I think so, there will be no problem at all if you are revising such point again and again. So, revise these topics again and again. It is necessary. And we will talk about physical properties, and some of the in-text questions are also given. In-text questions are very important points because most of the questions in board examination, in-text questions are included. One of the question I am saying here, extend in-text question 10.2. Why is sulfuric acid not used during the reaction of alcohol with KI? आप लोग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का उपयोग जब हम अल्कोहल के KI से रिएक्शन कराते हैं तो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का यूज नहीं करते। क्यों नहीं करते? एक बार आप सोचे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट इज नेसेसरी दैट स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट पे their own attention about the questions, and then after one day I will provide you solution of all the questions, and then you match with my answer and do correct that what are wrong and what are right. Okay, then wait for in text question solution for next class. Thank you very much. See you again.